Happy Thursday, Print Fam. Today, I should probably roll the window up so it's not so noisy. Today, it's not been such a good day. I just got home from my day job, but Bob had to come pick me up because I had a flat tire. And my car has so much junk in it from just my computer repair business that I used to have, and just I've got business cards for people and sticky notes for people and just lots of stuff to deliver that I can't get to my spare. So Bob took me home, and I've got the truck. So I'm actually running to my father-in-law's to get a tape measure. That's a 100-foot tape measure, so I can go measure a building. Once I measure the building, I'll stop by my car, pick up a few things for some customers, and then I will probably go back tomorrow with the truck to get the tire. I'll take the tire off, take it to the shop, have them fix it, take it back, put it on the car. So today's gonna be a fun one. Let's go get that tape measure and get the building measured. So Bob is coming over tonight. We're gonna do some magnets for him, and I've gotta cut down some banners, so we'll use the keen cut. So let's get going. Hey guys, I wanted to show you the sunset, but the video camera just doesn't do it justice. So I'll snap a picture here. Hopefully that looks better. So Cam, if you could overlay it now, whether it looks good or bad. I think, like, man, if you could see it, it's raining right now, and the whole sky, because it's all clouds right here, it's just this nice, beautiful orange color. So as you can see, I took my glasses off and put some contacts in. I was trying to put some grommets in some banners that I printed on Monday and cut them down a little bit, and they just kept falling off my face. Half of my, I don't even know what the arm is broken, and so it just falls off. So switch to the contacts, get those done. Now I'm waiting for Bob to get here. We're gonna cut some magnets for him, and then he'll cut them on the keen cut, and then I'm gonna put some vinyl on, and I've got to print some stickers. So we'll get to that and check in a little bit, but hopefully the sunset picture looks cool.
Don't worry, Darren, the sunset picture looked cool as frick.
All right guys, I know you can't see my face, but this is called the big squeegee.
Can you come over here more?
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm over frame, if not total. So, big squeegee. So what I'm doing is I've got a piece of foam core, and I've got this just adhesive vinyl that I printed. You can see it says made fresh in the deli. So we're just going to show you how to put it on, and then once it's put on, we cut it with the keen cut. So the first thing you do is just get an edge, and in this case, let's use the scissors. Hold on. All right, so I peeled this edge, and I'm going to cut the backer off so that it's out of the way. And I'm going to lay this down just gently with my hand so that it's just nice and clean. So now what we do is we take the big squeegee, and this is why I've got Bob here, because it takes 2 people.
Not 1, but 2.
And you put the big squeegee here, but at the same time you want to roll this back. So the first thing we actually want to do is roll it. If you hold that,
Hold this.
this roll,
This roll.
and then hold it with the other side too. And come back a little bit farther. So we're going to release this back edge. So we want to just let it come down. So as I push, So you should be able to let go of that now. And as I push, then it's going to continue to self pull the backer off. And Bob, I want you to just hold it lightly. So the squeegee is doing all the work.
Yep. Boom.
So now we have a perfectly smooth finish. So there's no bubbles, there's not gonna be any pinching. And now we can take it to the keen cut and cut the excess off. This is why I need a bigger office. Now we can load this on the cutter.
Double check the blade length to ensure it does come through the foam.
Yes, I did extend the blade right before cut. So it's a perfect cut. Now we just repeat the steps 3 more times. So right here we have the white edge. So all I do is I make sure my graphic is just barely underneath the cut edge. And make sure all the way across that is perfect. And then you can just and that's it. All done.
You're made fresh in the deli.
All right, print fam. I am wrapping up the day. It's about 2:20 in the morning. Bob left about 30 minutes ago. I was able to get 3 heat transfer jobs done. I got a sticker order done. Got some nice "please do not bend" on there. So got that done. Need to ship that off tomorrow. Don't know if I'll be able to, depending on my car situation with the flat tire. The one thing I did get done though is the 2 o'clock club stickers. I printed them. I like to put them on 5x7 cards so that they fit inside of a 5x7 envelope. So this is the design. It is because of Cam's inspiration, so thank you, Cam.
What did I tell ya? I told y'all a couple vlogs ago the stickers were sick. I was right.
Even got a little block back here on the screen. I don't know if my camera will focus on it enough, but if anyone is interested in buying a set of stickers to support the channel, I would definitely appreciate it. As far as cost, I'm not sure what to charge for them. Love to know your opinion. I was thinking just a couple bucks, and that would just include shipping. I would just mail them out to you in a 5x7. They take a single stamp. I wouldn't do tracking on them, but thinking just a couple bucks. Probably will either put them up on Etsy or I'll put them on just my website. So I know Etsy would take a fee, but getting some sales on there would help. I think the Etsy shop that I have to get a little bit bigger. Definitely trying to do that so that I can just have another source of jobs. Even though they do take a commission, it's always nice to just have extra jobs that can keep you busy. So if you're interested in these, let me know. Cam, text me your address. I'll send you some for free. As far as did I meet my goal, I did not. date, I only brought in 50 bucks, but we were able to get the sign done as you see back there. So I'll deliver that tomorrow and hopefully get paid in the next couple of days for that. And I have a bunch of jobs that are in the queue to get paid. Some customers pay me in 30 days. Some customers kind of pay me when they feel like it. Some I make them pay before I do the work. So it just kind of depends on the customer. Bob did some magnets for someone in the BNI group that he's a part of, and she won't pay until after, but she's in the BNI group, so I'm not worried about getting paid. But that's what Bob was here is doing. It was great to have his help, especially with this sign. And we're talking about a bunch of jobs and some more equipment that we think we need to purchase with the purchase of the printer. So hopefully we can go over that. Kind of a couple of things that we're thinking of are an automatic sheet feeding cutter so that we can do custom shape items like boxes, door hangers, things like that, as well as possibly a folding and stuffing machine for envelopes. He's got a potential customer that does 1,200 direct mail mailers, I guess. 1,200 envelopes that they send, and they send those 3 times to the same. So they send one letter day 1, they wait like 10 days, send it again, and wait 10 days and send it again. So in total, it's about 3,600 pieces, and he might be getting that, and they do it every 45 days. So every 45 days, they pick another route to send it to. So we may look at buying a stuffer to help facilitate doing that job. I think at least initially, if we get it, then Bob and I, or Bob and his wife, or whomever, will stuff them and try it and make sure we'll continue to get this work. But if they do it every 45 days, it might be worth investing in the equipment. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you know any friends or anyone that might enjoy the vlog and the updates, then please share it with them. I really appreciate that and would love to see the channel grow so that we can help more people on their journey or just watching. So thanks again as always, and have a fabulous day, night, evening, whenever you're watching this. Bye. Okay. Since Cam did a thing after the subscription, I'm gonna do one after the subscription. What do you think of the beard? Beard good? Beard not good? I'd love to know your opinion. I know it's not even related to what I do, but do you like the beard or no?